Phrasal verbs with run. Run into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into my old school friend at the mall. Guess who I ran into yesterday? My old boss. Run out of, meaning to use all of something so nothing is left. We've run out of milk. Can you buy some? He ran out of patience during the argument. Run over, meaning to hit something or someone with a vehicle or to go beyond time. The car ran over a squirrel. The meeting ran over by 30 minutes. Run away, meaning to escape from a place or situation. The boy ran away from home. Don't run away from your responsibilities. Run across, meaning to find something or someone by chance. I ran across an old photo album in the attic. She ran across a great article on parenting. Run off, meaning to leave quickly or to reproduce copies. The thief ran off before the police arrived. Can you run off 10 copies of this handout? Run on, meaning to continue longer than expected. The speech ran on for almost 2 hours. His explanation just kept running on and on. Run by, meaning to tell someone about an idea for their opinion. Can I run a few ideas by you? I ran the plan by my manager and she liked it. Run down, meaning to lose power or criticize someone. My phone battery ran down quickly today. Stop running him down behind his back. Run through, meaning to practice or review something or quickly use resources. Let's run through the presentation one last time. She ran through all her savings in a month.